enter to start. I did. Didn't I press? Come on, man. You owe me. Shall I remind you of your date with Heather? Listen, I'll cover you this time, but then get used to it. Man, thanks a lot. I won't forget. Yeah, right. Any pending calls? Yeah, only one. No big deal though. I just take the east entrance to Lakewood Forest. What should I expect? It's just old Emmett, local hunter. He told me, the dispatcher, that he stepped on a bear trap. Probably the idiot forgot one of his traps there and stepped on it. Just beware of wild animals in region. Got it. Any more information? No, that's it. By the way, if you see Heather by the PD, tell her I said hello. Sure. Okay, so far so good. You know, we're getting into the game. We'll see what it has in stores for us. Come on, man, let's go. I'm impatient. I'm getting excited. I'm too excited, you know? I'm gonna blow my pants. Not like that, you filthy animal. Get your mind out of... Before you go, I need to tell you one more thing. Oh, shit. Okay, go on. You can press tab button to open your inventory. WASD to move. E to interact. Yeah, that's the basic stuff, you know. Also, you already have your pistol and flashlight with you, right? Well, I am a police officer after all, so I mean, yeah, you know. If you need to equip it from your inventory, just select it. Use your mouse to aim, right button, and shoot with the left button. Sounds good, basic stuff, man. That was it. Good luck. Say hi to Heather for me. Oh, I'm gonna say hi to Heather, alright. Oh, yeah, baby. Alright, equip. And then flashlight. I can equip the flashlight too? No, you can't. You can't. Wait, you can't double wheel? Oh, man, that sucks. That blows. Wait, how come I can't move? He says oh, no, is it a bug? Is it a bug? Because I opened the inventory. Is it a... Stay around. I can't move. Like, why? Why can't I move? You son of a bitch. Why do they do that? Like when you open the inventory, why is there a fucking bug? Doesn't say how many bullets I have though. Oh wait, what the? Now I'm moving. What the fuck was that? That's weird. Okay, I'm not moving anymore. What? Yo, what's wrong with this game? No, seriously. Yeah, there's a bug. Yeah, there's a bug. I don't know what it is. I'm stuck now. Yeah, there's a fucking bug. I don't know what it is. Why is there a fucking bug? Am I stuck on something? Like, come on, dude. Oh my fucking god with these games, honestly. See, when I stop, it just, I can't move. Like, I have to do that to move again with the tab. Like, what the fuck? I can't. Wow, man, this is stupid. This is fucking stupid. It's retarded. What the hell is that? I thought I saw something over there. Man, even the camera angle sucks balls. What is this? Thank God. What took you so fucking long, huh? I was jerking off, okay? Avoid moving your leg. An ambulance is already on the way. I just need you to hold a little bit longer. Hell, all it takes is one rainstorm and an emergency service to go to hell. Look, there's no need to be a jerk here, Emmett. Just tell me, how the fuck did you step in one of those bear traps, bruh? They are not mine. Some asshole put them here, right? Probably one of those rich fuckers who live in a mansion. I'll tell you what. You stay here. Wait for the ambulance, alright? I'll see if anyone is in the mansion. And then I'll blow his brains out. Good luck with the sons of bitches. Oh my god, I hate... Look, where is the thing here? These are mansions here? Nope. It's not this way. Is it this way? Dude, where is this? Arizona, maybe? Or something? He's wearing like a sheriff's thing. I don't know where this is. So, should I be concerned there's bear traps or whatever? Is there bear traps around? So is this mansion over here? Nope. I don't know why I have to do this shit to like unstuck my ass. So if I stand still, see, I get stuck. I have to do this to move. Like, honest to God. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, he just gets stuck. I don't know, it's a bug or something. Nope. What the hell was that? I don't know. Check it out, bro. Shoot it. Over. A local hunter was trapped in Lakewood Forest. Suspicious mansion found in the scene. Asking for backup, fire department support to break the bear trap. So he needs backup in fire department. Okay. Repeating location. Lakewood Forest. Oh boy. We're gonna get attacked like there's no tomorrow, bruh. Wow, wow. Are you not gonna... Oh my god. You're not gonna go up the stairs. Locked. Okay. Oh shit, what the... Oh shit, hello. Move! Move, you fuck! Move, you piece of shit! Fuck, oh my god, this game is gonna get me killed. You guys don't die? Shit, I'm out. I can't do anything, I'm out. Yeah, there's no way. Oh my god, can you fucking move? You're crying out loud, fucking Christ. Uh-oh. Oh my god, this guy's gonna get me killed. Every time he stops, there's a bug. I have to do this. I don't have ammo. I can't run. What is that? I tried to pick it up, but he didn't pick it up, so... Stay away from me. Oh my god, he's on my asshole. I can see him, he's on my asshole. Yeah, he's gonna kill me. This stupid game is retarded. God, would you move? I can't move, man. I'm dead. This game is terrible, man. This game is fucking stupid as fuck, dude. I fucking hate this. I couldn't pick up the fucking thing on the floor. Why the fuck would you spawn like 10 of them? Seriously, how the fuck am I supposed to... Fuck this game, man. I'm done.